Hello, it's Jay here again, and welcome to another video. Um, so this is a rather sad day for me. I've always tried since coming to YouTube to stay away from the drama. Normally don't like to comment, just like to get on with things, but the recent changes and the costs associated with Unity is basically it's too much, and as such I'm making this video. So I'm not going to go into all the details, the coverage. That's been done by plenty of other YouTubers who could do that far better than myself. So this is just in regards to me and my channel. So firstly, apologies for not getting videos out. This is the reason why. It does look like they may be backtracking on their announcements. I mean, the charging per install is particularly egregious. Do not agree with that at all. But it's made things very worrying for everybody that uses Unity, including myself. So where do we go from here with the channel? Well, I'm still preparing lessons. I've got plenty of lessons already planned out, using Unity just as normal, and I'll get those up probably soon. I'm actually just waiting. They've released statements saying we're listening and we've heard the negative feedback. They've not actually gone into details of how they're going to incorporate that criticism. They said they'll make an announcement in a few days. So that's what I'm going to wait on before creating another video. I'm just going to wait for that next statement and see where Unity stands. Now, if there is going to be an issue using Unity, this channel is still going to go forward, and so are the games I've been creating along with you. Now, does this mean porting to a new game engine or something along those lines? I honestly do not know at this point. It's just basically waiting on more news, and just seeing if they do roll back some of these policies and to what degree. And then I'll have to make a decision from there. I don't want to switch game engines. I really don't. I'd soon stick with Unity, especially because it wouldn't be so bad with the Tetris game that's early in development, but obviously the fighting game series it'd be a lot of work to suddenly move that to another engine. But basically, I just wanted to let you know why there's been no videos. I'm sure you've probably all guessed that this is the reason. But it's just keep you updated. We'll see what happens. We'll see what else occurs over the next few days, probably into early next week. Then hopefully, once they've made the announcement, I'll get a few lessons up and I'll update you on the long-term plan that I'll come up with, depending on what they say. So please bear with me. Everybody who's using Unity is having this issue. But charging per install, I just 0% agree. Absolutely. I cannot disagree more with that policy. I think personally it's disgusting. There's a saying that profit isn't a dirty word, but greed is. I completely agree with that statement. Everybody wants to earn a decent living, but this is just out and out greed. I think I'm just disgusted with this business practice. So, but either way, the channel will continue, the tutorials will continue, and the current series will continue. It's just in what form that's going to be is the issue. So please bear with me, and I hope to speak to you again soon in another tutorial video. And I'm keeping fingers crossed that hopefully this issue can be resolved and we get a 100% backtrack. And I think they also need terms of service update, so they can't do this retroactively anymore, just to give protection. But it's really shaken my trust. I must admit, it's really shocked me, and I've just not known what to do for the best this week, which is why there's been no videos and why I'm just going to wait that little bit longer. And it also gives me time to think about things as well as waiting for their announcement. So, hope to see you all soon. But as always, until then, bye for now.